Hello and welcome to today's video on data-driven recruitment using artificial intelligence (AI). In recent years, technology has revolutionized many aspects of our lives, and the recruitment process is no exception. Traditional recruitment methods often rely on manual screening, which can be time-consuming and prone to human biases. However, with the advent of AI and data analytics, companies now have access to powerful tools that can streamline and optimize their recruitment processes, leading to more efficient and fair hiring practices. So, how does data driven recruitment using AI work? Well, it starts with the collection of large amounts of data from various sources, such as job postings, resumes, and candidate profiles. This data is then loaded into an AI system which uses machine learning algorithms to analyze and extract insights from the data. The AI system can quickly identify patterns and trends in candidate qualifications, skills, and experiences, allowing recruiters to make more informed decisions. One of the key benefits of data driven recruitment is its ability to eliminate human biases. Unconscious biases, such as gender, race, or age, can unintentionally influence hiring decisions. AI algorithms, on the other hand, are programmed to evaluate candidates solely based on their qualifications and skills without any biases. This creates a fair and equal opportunity for all candidates, regardless of their background, enabling companies to build more diverse and inclusive teams. Another advantage of data-driven recruitment is its efficiency. AI systems can sift through thousands of resumes and profiles in a matter of seconds, saving recruiters countless hours of manual screening. This allows them to focus their time and energy on engaging with the most qualified candidates and conducting meaningful interviews. Not only does this speed up the hiring process, but it also ensures that companies don't miss out on top talent due to limited resources or time constraints. Moreover, data-driven recruitment enables companies to make data-backed decisions. By leveraging the insights derived from candidate data, recruiters can identify the most effective sourcing channels, create targeted job advertisements, and optimize their recruitment strategies. This data-driven approach not only improves the quality of hires but also increases the overall effectiveness of the recruitment process, resulting in cost savings and improved business outcomes. In conclusion, data-driven recruitment using AI is transforming the way companies hire talent. By leveraging the power of data analytics and AI algorithms, companies can streamline and optimize their recruitment processes, eliminating biases, improving efficiency, and making data-backed decisions. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more exciting developments in the field of data-driven recruitment, shaping the future of HR practices. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on the intersection of technology and recruitment. Thanks for watching. For more discussions and facts, subscribe.